Today we are going to dive into iPhone privacy setting and teach you how to protect your data. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss any of our helpful video. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn off location services. Our first step is to turn off location services. By doing this, you will prevent apps from tracking your location, which can be a huge privacy concern. Here's how. Open Settings on your iPhone. After that, you can scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. And then you can tap on Location Services. Make sure to toggle off or switch off the location services to disable them. Remember, you can always enable location services for specific apps when needed. Step 2. Limit ad tracking. Next up is limiting ad tracking. This will reduce the number of target ads you see, which can be based on your personal information. You can follow this step. Go to Settings, and then you can scroll down and select Privacy and Security. At the bottom, you can scroll down and tap on Apple Advertising. Don't forget to switch on the personalized ads. This will give you more control over your data and the ads you see. Step 3. Disable Siri suggestion. Siri suggestion can sometimes use your personal data to provide better results. To disable this feature, you can follow these steps. Open Settings on your iPhone and then select Siri and search. Then you can toggle off suggestion in search, suggestion in lookup, and suggestion on lock screen. By doing this, you will limit Siri access to your data. Step 4. Manage app permissions. It's essential to manage app permission to protect your privacy. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings and then select Privacy and Security. And then you can review each category such as contact, photo, or microphone. You can toggle off permission for any app that doesn't need access for that specific data. Make sure to review this permission regularly to maintain your privacy. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Lastly, enable two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow this step. Open Settings, and then tap your Apple ID at the top. You can tap on Password and Security. You can turn on two-factor authentication, and you can follow the on-screen instruction. And that's it. Your iPhone is now set up for better privacy and data protection. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on iPhone privacy setting. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video and see you again. Bye!